Hey guys, welcome back to Stuie's Garage. Quick video for you on the best lube I've found for O-rings, seals, gaskets. It's called Magic Lube. This tube's been used quite a bit. I am not sponsored by these guys, I just really like the product. It's much better than Vaseline in my opinion because it's quite sticky. This is what it looks like. It's kind of this stringy, sticky stuff. But it's super great for putting on O-rings. This is actually kind of a massive O-ring. I'll show you real quick. Just put it on there. Gets that O-ring nice and sticky. What this does for your O-rings and seals and things is it makes it sticky so it can stay in place when you're installing it, so it helps install it. Aids getting it into the place because sometimes you have to slide them onto things. It seals. It makes up that little extra gap in case anything's trying to get past with fluids or oils. It's just overall a really good product. It's super cheap. It's on Amazon. It's like $8.49. Made by Aladdin. Really love this stuff. So this product is actually intended for pool pumps and sealing up the gaskets inside those when they get wet from pumping water. My dad found it a while back at a pool store, but we've used it ever since. It's super good for oils and coolant. Yeah, super good product for what I'm going to use it for right now on a thermostat. So I got my fresh thermostat here. I'm going to install this on this Chevy Blazer. Ooh, that's a lot. A little goes a long way with this stuff. So I really just need a glob like that. Get this thing nice and lubed up. And pop it into place. So that's going to make a nice seal there. So that's Magic Lube. Check it out for your lubrication needs. Super good product. Not expensive. Nice and sticky. I like it a lot. It works really well. Subscribe if you got help from this video. Thanks.